I scroll in like that. But hey guys, you know, today is today's Tuesday. Whatever. I'm gonna do a DIY today. I'm gonna try to make a slime video. And I know I'm gonna get like bad. Like this gonna be a fail. I bet you. This slime video, you really just need 2 items. You'll need shampoo. Just picked any kind. I just picked any kind that's like in my what's name. So, and then you need salt. There, you got your items. And then you might need these things, you know. Duh. Okay, I'm gonna start by opening this. Let's do this. Oh, sorry. This is how much I'm gonna do. I don't know, because I know this is not gonna work. So, if this thing don't stop, I'm gonna put you over here. Okay, this is how much I put inside. Probably can't see. This is how much I put inside. And let's mix a little, mix a little. So, get the very thick kind of like shampoo, because like it might not work that much it might not work as good. So I mix a little, mix. Look, get a little, put salt in your hand. Get about this much. About this much. You see that? Get that much. Dizzle. I need help. Okay. And then just start mixing, Start mixing. Y'all can add color if y'all want to, but I'm just gonna make it clear. It looks weird, but yeah. But it's gonna be clear. And this may take a while. So I'm gonna like kind of skip some of the video, but it's gonna be legit. So you guys know, when you think it's like ready to like just ready to just go, put a little more. Just put a little more, and then maybe go and put it in the freezer, whatever how y'all say it, freezer for 25 minutes or 20 minutes if y'all want. I'm kind of scared it's not gonna work. It's kind of getting there, but it's not there like they, it's not all the way there, but it's getting there. It's not my type of post. I need to stop talking like that. But I am so happy to do this channel, but I'm scared too at the same time. And I'm scared because like people in my school might make fun of me because of this, but I don't care. I really don't care. But it's cool. It's Gucci. Something's really wrong. Let's put a little more salt. I did it. This is gonna be a fail. I can already tell. Okay. It's jiggly. Man, why people texting me? Okay. So now, since this is like that, put it in the freezer. Put it in the freezer for 25 minutes. And let's go. Do 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 do. Need help. Don't think about it too much, no more. Ooh. So I actually don't know what we're gonna do. With that. I guess we can listen to music, you know, get Gucci, you know, you see how it is. Cause I'm ready for you to come over. Dang, it's already 5 minutes of the video. Hey guys, since you're there, I can talk about life. I ain't gonna talk that long, cause like, that's too much. I might talk for like 2 minutes and be like, bye-bye, I'll be right back. But, okay, so like, how y'all doing? No. Mama! I can't look at that, it'll grow. Look that way. Okay, sorry guys, that was just a weird looking place. Ew! It looks gross. Okay, so, I don't know what to do. And, I keep looking at it. Maybe back here. Oh, I'm just playing. But okay, so how's school been going, little kids and people? Yeah, I know I'm weird, but it's cool, you know. It's cool, Gucci. I'm gonna be glad when I like get like so many subscribers. Like, what's up? Like, what's up? Like, whoa. Sorry. I don't know what to talk about. I guess I'll be right back, because, like, this is not working too much. Bye-bye. Toodle-woo! I got it out the freezer. But I'm kind of mad. It's just fluffy. It looks like slime, but it's fluffy. I know there's fluffy slime out there, but I'm saying, like, it's not. I think I put too much something. Probably too much salt or shampoo. But let me go down. Okay, so I'm gonna try this one more time. I'm gonna try it one more time. This is gonna be the last time. This is gonna be the last time. So I'll be right back. Let me like do something real quick, and I'll be right back. Toodaloos, be right back. I'm just gonna say this. I'm back. Okay, I'm gonna try to redo it real quick. This is gonna be a long video, and I'm really sorry if this is kind of boring. So, like, if it is, just bye. I'm just playing. I'm sorry. Right now, I'm just trying my best to be some slime, because this is booty. Like, every time I make it, something goes wrong. I put something too much in it. It's just too much methods and stuff. And I'll be like, oh my gosh, what am I doing? Why am I doing this? Okay, we're gonna do this one more time. And we go really fast. So, okay, I'm just gonna put this much in there. About a handful of that in there. And I'll get you situated. It's already clumping up together. like last time. See, it's like doing it, but it's just, I'm probably putting too much of this. And like, I might not put that much of this anymore. I'm gonna like just keep going. Man, it took too long to freeze, so like, I'm gonna like forget that. So you guys just try it. So I know this is not gonna work. I wish I had like a refrigerator. Well, not a refrigerator, but like a freezer in my room, so it can work better. Yeah, this is like a fail. Okay, I'm sorry. Is it maybe too much salt? Maybe it's too much, whatever. Okay. I tried everything, and it's not even working. And I don't feel like putting it in the freezer because it's going to take a long time to get it out. So, this is just going to be a fail. Yep. Do you see this? This is a fail. I'm getting kind of mad because, like, these people on YouTube do it. And I'm like, am I just doing it wrong? Or am I just tripping? Or am I just, I don't know. And I'm getting kind of mad because I tried my freaking hardest to do this. I'm wasting all my salt because of this. I'm just playing that. If I was, then no, I would not. I wouldn't even do this. See, no, It's some type of, this is some type of fluffy. You know that slime from Nickelodeon? It's that type of slime. See, look. Okay. Just, no. It don't look too good. Let me just keep mixing. Let's put some eye drops. I know I said one method, but let's mix something with it. It's making it clumpy. You see this? This is not working. But when, like, it's on YouTube, they get it right. But when I do it, like, I put faith in myself, but this is not working. Okay, I'm done. Guys, thanks for watching the video. I know it's like this long of a video, but whatever. I hope you guys like this video. Like it, subscribe, do all that. And thanks for watching.